Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 4 drawers file cabinet that this brand sent to me for this video. And I've been trying it out, and I actually bring it here on my wife's office because we have all that paperwork on the back, and we always wanted to put one of these, like a taller or just a smaller one of these file cabinets. So I want to actually put some of those things inside, and I'm going to show it to you in a few seconds on a close-up and show you the features. But first, I want to talk about 2 things. Number 1, the assembly process. So right here, it comes with instruction manuals and everything. I have to say that this is by far the easiest one that I assembled on this file cabinets that I had. I actually worked with some of them before, and this is by far the easiest one to assemble. It comes with a kind of like a special feature of, I want to say, like interlocking the pieces with metal pieces and metal brackets that you don't need to screw anything if you don't want to. But I will highly recommend you need to screw the structure for sure, kind of like the walls right here in the back. But this right here is the set of screws that comes for the drawers. You can actually leave them out, you don't have to screw them, but I highly recommend to do it because right now these are not screwed, these are just kind of like interlocked with the metal pieces, and it could be a little bit better if you actually use the screws. So those are the 2 things that I wanted to mention before anything else. So now let's take a closer look of this 52 by 15 by 17 inches tall, wide, and deep file cabinet. So things that I like about this file cabinet. Number 1, the 4 drawers for sure. Also comes with 2 keys for a locking feature, so you can actually lock all drawers if you need, or just leave them open. But it comes with 2 keys, so that's actually really cool, and you can hang them from whatever you want. It also comes with this filing system, so you can actually put labels in each one of this. And by the way, these are super smooth. You can see how smooth this goes with the reels and goes up to this part right here with the stopper. It has stoppers right here on the sides and also stopper on the bottom part as well. But this goes super smooth, as you can see right here. I also want to say that these are super deep, as you can see right here how deep these are, so you can put tons of things. But basically the size is for A4 and legal documents, so that's kind of like the size of it. Right here it comes with this special bracket that it will keep it in place, but also it's a stopper for your documents, so that's actually really good. And one more time, look at how smooth these are. I think that's actually really cool. And now you can see the full height of it. I'm 5'10", so this is kind of like in between 52-53 inches, and as I was saying before, it's 15 by 17. So one more time, remember, super easy to assemble, but highly recommended to use all the screws. Other thing, as I was saying before, if you want to keep your documents inside here, super nice and easy with the locking feature. That will be all good right here. So I like it. I think it's a good unit for a small office or a small, I want to say, like place for documents and things like that. Office for sure. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.